Today we're gonna do our days of the week. You guys remember this? Who remembers our days of the week? Me. We all do? Hey. I'm going to ask one friend to stand up next to our days of the week chart. Go ahead and do our days of the week song. The Sunday and the Monday, the Tuesday and the Wednesday, Thursday and Thursday, there is Thursday. Victory. Right, it looks like the Vajati. Yes. Right, so, do a challenge. I'm going to cover a day of the week, and guess what? You guys are gonna have to guess what day is missing. You guys think you know all the days of the week? Yeah. And you think you know all the days of the week? Yes? Alright, that's what. You guys are gonna cover your eyes. Your eyes. I'm going to cover a day of the week. You guys are going to tell me what day is missing. Let's ask the question again. How many days of the week do we have? Saturday, you see a seven finger? 7 fingers, good job. So we have 7 days to beat, right? I know all my friends are super smart. So on the count of 3, we're gonna look on the calendar and we're gonna shout what day of the week is missing. Are you guys ready? Yeah. After 3, 1, 2, 3. Wednesday. Good job. High five. High five. High five. Right. What letter does Wednesday start with? Evelyn, what sound does the I? Good job. What food days do we not come for school?
Saturday and Sunday.
You don't come to school on Saturday and Sunday. What 2 days start with the letter S?
Like Sunday. Sunday, Saturday.
Sunday and Saturday. Everybody's so smart. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me ask another question. What day comes after Sunday?
Monday.
So, you just said the missing this the week. What was it?
Missing basic volleyball. Wednesday.
So guess what? Now we're gonna take an activity. But we're gonna call this activity placing the SPs on what days they belong. For example, what do you see in this picture?
You have
A bicycle, right? Also, is it a girl or boy riding the bike? A girl riding the bicycle, right? What do you think this girl is riding the bicycle?
no. Sure.
What day? What day can you ride your bike?
Huh?
You can ride your bike on Wednesday,
Thursday.
or Thursday, or Friday, Sunday, or Sunday, right? You're gonna pick any picture. You're gonna look at the picture and you're gonna paste it on what day you think that they're doing that specific activity. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. So first D, and then IHAN, and then AWAR. What do you see on that picture?
Wrong. The wrong one.
The grass. They're laying on the grass. What do you think they're doing at the park? So they're laying down. They're relaxing. What do you think they're relaxing at the park?
I think they're having
A picnic. Okay, what do you think they're having at picnics? On a Monday? Hey, we gonna have picnics on Mondays. Right. All right, IHAN, the teacher. All right, what do you see in your picture? So, where's that?
a movie.
The movies. What day do you think you could go to the movies?
So in possible on the Saturday.
On Saturday. Nice. And Amy, go ahead. What are they doing?
Washing the
They're washing their clothes. What day do you think they're washing their clothes? You wash your clothes on
Thursday.
on a Thursday, okay. You wash your clothes on a Thursday. My favorite day is Friday. Because guess what? Because Saturday is the next day. And I get to take on this sleep all morning. And I get to get up late. So let us know which day today is your favorite day of the week. And put that in the comments down below. Bye. Bye.
Bye.